Hey y'all, it's Neil with NeilSarap Barbecue, and today we're going to be making a turkey porchetta, or turketta, whichever. We're going to be taking a 15-pound turkey and deboning it, and then we're going to season it, tie it up, and then it's going on our Oven Brothers original joint rotisserie. This is a vertical charcoal rotisserie. We're going to get that on there to get it nice and crispy and roasted. Let's take you into the kitchen now. We're going to get this thing deboned. Alright, we're going to start by removing the spine using a heavy-duty pair of kitchen shears. There's one tough spot right where the thigh bone connects. Once you get past that, it's pretty smooth sailing. We're going to cut away the ribs. Remove the meat from the breastbone. We're going to remove the wing sections and the legs. While it's possible, there are so many tendons in the legs, it's just not worth it for what we're trying to do with this cook. So we'll save the wings and the legs for a different cook. We're going to trim the meat away from the thigh bone, and then the last part will be removing the back. Then we'll be all set. Alright, we're going to start making our marinade. We're going to start off with a half a cup of coconut milk, two tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of Ponzu sauce, two tablespoons of my Damn Tasty Asian rub, 2 tablespoons of a Thai Panang curry paste. We're going to get that whisked all up, mixed well. Next we have some fresh lemongrass. We're going to get this bruised up with a meat mallet to bring out all the flavors. Next we're going to season with my Damn Tasty Asian rub. It's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now we're going to pour all of our marinade. Coat the whole bird on the inside. Add our lemongrass. Then we're going to attempt to roll this up and tie it. It's a little bit of a soup sandwich, so we're going to go ahead and put this on a wire rack that's already lined with strings. It's just 100% cotton string. We're going to get this tied up little by little until we get it packed away nicely. strings trimmed up. I did add a couple more strings off camera. I moved it to a larger tray and added just a little bit of kosher salt, and then we put it in the refrigerator overnight. Hey y'all, we're back and we're going to be cooking our turketta on the rotisserie today. So we've had this in the refrigerator overnight, getting the skin to dry out, and we're going to go ahead and get this on our spit rod, and we're going to have it all set up on the rotisserie in just a moment. We got it outside heating up. There we go. So we're ready to go. Let's get on outside and get this thing up on the rotisserie. All right, we got our turketta up on the rotisserie here. It's Oven Brothers original joint rotisserie. Fired up with some of that jerk competition charcoal. Nice and hot. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. We're just checking in on it. Starting to brown up a little bit. All right, we're all done. We'll get this pulled off. Start slicing. Hey all, we're back and we have our turketta here. This is just off the rotisserie, and whew, it's looking really good. The smell is amazing. I can smell the Thai Panang curry. Even the lemongrass is coming through. So let's get slicing on this and we're gonna see what we got. Look at that. That is amazing. The lemongrass, it's amazing. It's so fresh, you can smell it. We'll get this sliced up here a little bit. Get our plate here. All right, and while we were waiting for this to cool, I made up a sauce very similar to the marinade. We got this sauce here. So pour that right on over. All right, so here's the moment we'd all been waiting for. It smells so good. Wow, that's all I can say about that. This is probably the best turkey I've ever had. It's no joke. Absolutely delicious. It's just so flavorful. From the marinating, we brine this overnight, but then we marinate it overnight and let it dry. Get that skin on there. It's just fantastic. A little bit of that sauce on there. Oh yeah. Well, this has been excellent. Thank you all for watching. Check out my other videos, and please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, if you think there's a better way to tie this thing, or if you think there's any way to do this, I'm doing this again for sure. But leave a comment if you think that you know of any other way to do this that would be better than this, because this is fantastic. I hope you all get an opportunity to try it. The recipe's down in the description, and have a great day. We'll see you soon.